Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable annotations for participants in Zoom. This is particularly useful when you're presenting important content and want to maintain control over what appears on screen, preventing any unwanted markings or distractions during your presentation. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. This step is essential as you'll need to be logged in to access all the meeting features and controls we'll be working with. Once you're signed in, go ahead and join a meeting. The process is straightforward. Simply click on the meeting you want to join or enter the meeting ID if you have one. Wait for the meeting to load and for you to be connected with other participants. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Now that you're in the meeting, look down at the bottom toolbar of your screen. You'll see several options displayed there. Among these options, locate and click on the Share button. This button is your gateway to sharing your screen content with other meeting participants. After clicking it, you'll be presented with various sharing options showing different screens and windows that are currently open on your computer. Select the specific screen or window you want to share with everyone in the meeting. Then click the Share button to confirm your selection. Your chosen content will now be visible to all participants. Once your screen is being shared, you'll notice that the toolbar has moved to the top of your screen. This is where you'll find additional controls for managing your shared content. Look for the More button in this top toolbar and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your screen sharing session. From this drop-down menu, select Disable Annotation for Others. By choosing this option, you're preventing other participants from drawing, typing, or making any marks on your shared screen. This gives you complete control over the presentation and ensures that your content remains exactly as you intend it to appear, without any participant interference or additions. And there you have it, you've successfully disabled annotations for participants in your Zoom meeting, giving you full control over your shared content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.